Hello everybody, this is your host Aurelia Pratch, and today I'm going to be reacting to Dreamtale, Two Birds on a Wire. It looks like it's going to be about Dream and Nightmare's backstory, and we all know how depressing that is, so I'm probably in for something sad. Looking forward to that. So, yeah, here we go. Oh, they're so little and cute. This singer has such a nice voice. I've always liked Dream and Nightmare's designs. Their outfits are so cool. Oh. Dream always has such a kind face. Unless it's Shattered Dream, but we all know how that goes. Oh, brothers united, or so we think. I would love to see more stories about them when they still got along. That's a mood. Oh boy. I'm sorry, Nightmare. It just didn't work out well for either of them. This song is so bittersweet. No. I say no, but it's inevitable. I know what's coming. Oh, Dream, don't cry! It's too late. Oh, that's a creepy image. That imagery is, wow. Can you imagine what it would be like to witness that? Oh no. Oh man. To see your only family get deformed like that. And by choice. Well. One tries to fly away and the other. Yeah. That was just as depressing as I expected. I mean, great song choice and wonderful art, but man, it's just so tragic. That's the thing, you gotta hold your siblings close and stand up for each other and love each other no matter what. You gotta stick together because who else do you have in this world? And now, well, neither of them had anyone until they found their respective parties. Star Sands and Nightmare's gang and all of them, but I see a lot of people blame Dream for what Nightmare endured. It's interesting to see the different arguments for both of their sides. Let me know who you sympathize with. I choose to remain neutral. it's just, yeah, it's a tragedy in all respects for all parties.